welcome back to FloridaMan Fishing. In today's episode, well actually I could say the week's episode, is going to be me fishing this little backyard canal. The fiance is doing another dog sitting job. You guys might recognize this spot. I call this the tarpon dock. Belongs to my buddy. He allows us to stay here and watch his dogs while he goes on vacation. And yeah, there's tarpon all back here. Cut mold under a float. If I hook up, you guys will see me soon. Ciao. It's a decent fish. I think I got a snook. Yep, snooker. Nice. Oh, he threw the lure. Cork's gone, baby. Tarp. Got something on. Baby! Baby, I got a redfish. Yes! Heck yes! Look at that. Look at that. It's a first catch of the day at the boiling residence. Got a nice redfish. Beautiful. Look at that tail. One spotter. Gorgeous fish, guys. Gorgeous fish. Nice stuff. Good start to the week right there. That's a beautiful red drum, little guy. Go ahead and get a picture of it, love. It's your phone. This one for giggles. Alright, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Good fish, baby. Alright. Hit the cork. Good sea trout. Baby. Come here, love. Stay buttoned. Please stay buttoned. Wow. What a trout. Wow. First cast of the day. All right, guys, got a nice little trout. First cast of the day. Beautiful. Look at the specks on that guy. Look at the colors on that beautiful fish. Nice trout. First cast of the day. Can't beat that. Let's get this release on video. Hit the slam shady. Hit the slam shady, baby. See you later, man. Nice. Babe, tarpon. Come get a pick. Grabbing that net. Nice little tarpon. Got him. Come get a photo, love. And grab the other GoPro. Perfect hookup. Perfect hookup. Yeah. There he is. There he is, baby. Nice little tarpon. Canal tarpon. Can't beat that. Right at sunset. We grinded all weekend for this fish. Yeah, it's not the biggest one in the world, but she's a beaut. She's a beaut. Look at that, guys. Gorgeous fish. Perfect button up. Got the hook right out. See how silver and pretty they are? Look how gorgeous. This is one of my favorite fish, guys. The boiling resident strikes again. Got a red, got a tarpon, got some nice trout. Had a snook button up, but that's a good way to close out the weekend right there, guys. Let's get this release on video. Easy, boy. Got that camera. Thank you. Look at that, guys. Look at that tarpon. Nice. See you later, man. Awesome.